Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link pages on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Linking pages on Squarespace is a straightforward process that is an important way to improve site navigation and user experience. You can easily create internal or external links between pages using different methods. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the dashboard. And from here, you might wanna select the page that you are working with. In my case, I'm gonna be choosing this website. I'm going to click on it and I would be forwarded to the website builder. Okay. Now, one thing is, if you are using the website builder, I want you to click on the edit button. And here, you can simply click on add a block. Just wait for it to load. It takes a little bit of time depending on how you set up your website. I'm going to click on add a block. You see, there's going to be an option here that says content link. You see that? So this is one way. I'm going to drag this one, the content link. And of course, you can put in the content link block. You can start, create a visual link to page within your site that includes associated title, thumbnail, and ad description. All right. And from here, might want to drag this not for now. You can choose any information for this store. All right. So there's a lot that you can work with. Now on the content link, you might want to put in the link of a specific page here. And after doing so, click on save. All right. That's one way. Now the other way is click on exit and hover to the pages section wherein there's going to be an option here. Now there's a plus button here on the main navigation bar or in the not link, wherein if you click on that, you would be forwarded to the more option where you can simply link to pages or external sites. Okay, so you might want to, of course, put in the name of the link title and of course enter the URL, which is going to be our YouTube channel, which is Deep Laughs. If you haven't already, you might want to click on the subscribe button so you get notifications to our latest content. I'm gonna copy that and then switch over here again on the Squarespace, enter that, and I'm going to click on save. All right. Now once you've done that, there's gonna be more options for you to work with when you click on the gear icon beside the link that you have chosen. And as you can see, if you choose to open it in a new tab, but if you don't want to open that in a new tab, you can do so. Okay, so I'm gonna choose it for now. And if you want to delete that, all you have to do is click on the trash icon here and it will be forwarded to this trash utilities at the bottom. Another way for you to add or link pages here on the website is clicking on edit. If you can add a block, which is going to be an image block right here, for example, an image, go to select from the library, for example, this. I'm going to drag this image for now. You see this content edit link? I can put in the Deep Laughs channel for that, and that's how you link pages in Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.